Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2016 Bentley Flying Spur W12. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips in the front at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door are in excellent condition. I do not see any dents or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk is in good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches on it at all or no dents. Also, the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Alright, I'm not seeing any scratches on this quarter panel. And the wheel has no curb rash. So everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Alright, the front door is perfect. I do not see any scratches at all, but I do see on the back door there's a little scratch there. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender is perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and first we're going to start with the driver's seat. Yeah, I do see some wear and tear here and along the side. Take a look at the door panel. The door panel looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear and tear there at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear of the seat. Let's have a look at the door panel. Everything there looks fine. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the leather. The shifter looks fine. The radio buttons are in good condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the buttons look fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. I do see a little wear and tear on the aluminum part, metal, but the leather and stitching looks fine. So the interior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.